Oh, you ready to get this done? You gotta be kidding me. Guys, this is one of the worst parts of flipping a house. Won't you join me? Now, it's been winterized, the property, so here we are. Before it was actually winterized, somebody decided to use the bathroom. Clearly no toilet paper. Yeah, we're not going to show them the inside of that, though, after we take that cellophane off. Great, my glove broke. It just keeps getting better, guys. Single-handedly, we're going to attempt to unplunge the toilet. Now, if this stuff goes all over the floor, it's a wrap. I'm out of here. Okay, here we go. I'm going to try not to throw up because I just had lunch. Oh. Please go down. Get down there, goddammit. Ah, shit! No! No, 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 no. You got to be kidding me. No, man. Please go down. Absolutely not a good sign, guys.
Oh, God.
There it is!
Yes!
Yeah, baby! Oh, thank you, God. All right, let's turn the water back on, fill this tank up, and hopefully we don't have a big pile of you-know-what sitting in the basement. Because what I forgot to tell you, the house has been sitting vacant for so long that the wax seal actually dried out and shrunk up, and it's leaking poop in the basement. This is the part you really don't see on TV. The good stuff. Alright, this will be filled up, and the moment of truth will be here momentarily.
Is that mold?
No. It's poop. Alright. I have to do this now because this is a moment of truth, guys. We ran out of space on the video. Thank God it worked. And I'm going to step outside before my lunch goes in there. But this is one of the glorified parts of flipping. We'll see you soon. I'm out.